We're working on a new project here at Coder named Mux. Short for multiplexer, Mux is a web and desktop app developers use to run AI coding agents in parallel. Mux is a great way to offload the long-running tasks to coding agents. These could be research tasks, building new features, or just fixing bugs. Mux handles the orchestration. It spins up its own sub-agents and manages how they run together so work can happen in parallel without you babysitting it. And Mux is fully open source. It works with any LLM, and you can configure it to behave exactly how you want. There's no lock-in and no black boxed prompts. You can run Mux tasks locally, or you can SSH into remote development environments when you need more compute or better isolation for agents. And naturally, Mux works really well with Coder Workspaces. That gives teams the governance and boundaries they need to use AI coding agents safely at scale. We're still early with Mux, but we want your feedback. So if you'd like to learn more, let us know. We'd love to have you join us as an early design partner on this new open source project.